Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the luxurious world of Hotel Riu Palace Paradise Island, an adults-only all-inclusive resort nestled on the stunning shores of Paradise Island in the Bahamas. Get ready for a virtual tour that'll have you dreaming of white sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, and endless cocktails by the pool. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? Hotel Riu Palace Paradise Island boasts 379 rooms spread across 14 floors, each designed to provide a perfect blend of comfort and elegance. While the hotel doesn't go into great detail about specific room categories on their website, we know that they offer suites with breathtaking sea views. Imagine waking up to the sound of gentle waves and stepping out onto your private balcony to take in the Caribbean panorama. Now that's what I call a morning ritual. These rooms aren't just about the views, though. They come packed with amenities to make your stay as comfortable as possible. We're talking air conditioning to keep you cool in that tropical heat, minibars stocked with refreshing beverages, and, get this, free liquor dispensers on the balconies. That's right, folks, you can mix your own cocktails without even leaving your room. Add in coffee machines for your morning caffeine fix, and you've got everything you need for a perfect stay. The rooms themselves have a traditional charm, with wooden furnishings and floral artwork creating a cozy yet elegant atmosphere. It's like stepping into a tropical paradise with all the comforts of home. And let's not forget about the balconies. They're not just for admiring the view. They're spacious enough for you to relax and unwind, maybe even enjoy a romantic dinner under the stars. Now, let's talk about one of the most important aspects of any vacation, the food. Hotel Riu Palace Paradise Island doesn't disappoint in this department. The main restaurant offers a buffet-style dining experience with live cooking stations and themed buffets. Picture yourself piling your plate high with international delicacies, watching chefs whip up custom dishes right before your eyes. It's like a culinary world tour without ever leaving the resort. But wait, there's more. The resort also boasts several specialty restaurants for those nights when you want something a little fancier. Fancy some sushi? Head to the Japanese restaurant for fresh sushi and sashimi that'll transport your taste buds straight to Tokyo. In the mood for something a little different? The fusion restaurant blends various culinary traditions to create unique and exciting dishes. And for all you meat lovers out there, the steakhouse serves up premium cuts that'll have you drooling before you even sit down. Now I know what you're thinking, but what about the drinks? Well, fear not, my thirsty friends. Hotel Riu Palace Paradise Island has you covered with 3 bars, including a swim-up bar at one of the pools. Imagine floating in the crystal clear water, tropical drink in hand, without a care in the world. There's also a jerk station bar for those Caribbean flavors, and a patisserie and ice cream parlor where you can satisfy your sweet tooth while sipping on a refreshing cocktail. It's like they've thought of everything. Speaking of pools, let's dive into the aquatic offerings at this resort. Hotel Riu Palace Paradise Island boasts 2 outdoor pools that'll make you feel like you're in paradise. One is a regular pool perfect for swimming laps or just cooling off, while the other is an infinity pool that seems to merge with the ocean beyond. And remember that swim-up bar I mentioned? It's right there in the infinity pool, so you can sip on your favorite cocktail without ever leaving the water. Talk about luxury. But the real star of the show here is Cabbage Beach. This stunning stretch of white sand is just steps away from a resort, offering you the perfect place to soak up the sun, take a dip in the crystal clear Caribbean waters, or try your hand at some water sports. Whether you're into windsurfing, scuba diving, or kayaking, there's something for everyone. And the best part? The hotel provides loungers and towels, so all you need to bring is your sunscreen and sense of adventure. Now I know we're all here to relax, but for those of you who like to stay active on vacation, Hotel Riu Palace Paradise Island has got you covered. The resort offers a fitness center where you can keep up with your workout routine, although they don't go into specifics about the equipment available. But hey, when you're in paradise, who needs a treadmill when you can jog along the beach, right? For those looking for ultimate relaxation, the spa is the place to be. While the hotel doesn't provide too many details about specific treatments, you can bet they offer a range of massages, facials, and body treatments to help you unwind and rejuvenate. After all, what's a Caribbean vacation without a little pampering? But the fun doesn't stop when the sun goes down. Hotel Riu Palace Paradise Island keeps the party going with nightly shows after dinner. From live music to dance performances, there's always something to keep you entertained. And during the day, you can join in on group fitness activities or beach volleyball tournaments. It's like summer camp for adults, but with better food and drinks. Now, let's talk about what's around the resort. One of the biggest perks of staying at Hotel Riu Palace Paradise Island is its location next door to the famous Atlantis Resort and Casino. So, if you're feeling lucky, you can pop over for some gaming action. And if you want to explore further afield, downtown Nassau is just a short taxi ride away. There, you can immerse yourself in Bahamian culture, do some shopping, or check out the local restaurants and bars. But what really sets Hotel Riu Palace Paradise Island apart? Well, for starters, it's adults only, which means you can enjoy a peaceful, relaxing vacation without any little ones running around. The all-inclusive model is also a big plus. No need to worry about carrying cash or running up a big bill at the end of your stay. And let's not forget the location, right on one of the most beautiful beaches in the Bahamas, with easy access to other attractions. Of course, no hotel is perfect, and Hotel Riu Palace Paradise Island does have a few areas where it could improve. Some guests have mentioned that the music and activities around the pool can get quite loud, which might not be ideal if you're looking for a super quiet getaway. And the lack of a reservation system for the a la carte restaurants can lead to long wait times during peak dining hours. But overall, the reviews for this resort are pretty positive. Guests rave about the friendly staff, the cleanliness of the rooms and public areas, and the overall value for money. The beachfront location is a big hit, as is the variety of food on offer. Many guests also appreciate the lively atmosphere, although if you're looking for a totally tranquil retreat, you might want to consider other options. One thing to keep in mind is that this resort can get quite busy, especially during peak seasons. So if you're planning a trip, it might be worth considering visiting during the shoulder season when things are a bit quieter. And don't forget to book early. With all these amenities and that prime location, rooms at Hotel Riu Palace Paradise Island can fill up fast. Now, let's talk about some of the unique experiences you can have at this resort. While they don't offer specific signature experiences, the combination of adults-only policy, all-inclusive model, and beachfront location creates a unique atmosphere that's hard to find elsewhere. Imagine sipping a cocktail on your balcony as the sun sets over the Caribbean, or dancing the night away at one of the resort's lively bars without having to worry about disturbing any families. For those of you planning a business trip or special event, Hotel Riu Palace Paradise Island does offer event and conference facilities, although they don't go into much detail about these on their website. But hey, if you have to attend a conference, doing it in paradise doesn't sound too bad, right? One of the things that really stands out about Hotel Riu Palace Paradise Island is the way they take care of their guests. While we don't have specific anecdotes, many reviews mention exceptional service moments, staff going above and beyond to make stays special, surprise room upgrades, or personalized touches that make guests feel truly valued. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.